Welcome back friends, once again in this video tutorial of Anita Bioconcept, and in this video tutorial I am going to discuss about knockout mice technology and what are knockout mice. So knockout mice, our topic is knockout mice. Knockout mice is that mouse in which one of its gene has been disrupted by the targeted gene transfer. Okay, so one of its gene has been disrupted by the technique of targeted gene transfer. Okay, by the technique of targeted gene transfer. This is known as knockout mice. Now, this word knockout mice generally signifies the fact, okay, that a specific gene in the genome of animals has been specific gene of or inside these animals, in the genome of these animals has been made non-functional. Okay, has been made non-functional. That's the actual meaning of knockout mice or these type of animals. So this specific gene has made non-functional due to the disruption of that specific gene. Okay, due to disruption of that specific gene. And how this is possible? This is possible by targeted gene transfer. So this mice is known to be knocked out. Knocked out mice. And how these knockout mice are being produced? We will see that how these knockout mice are being produced. How? It employs embryonic stem cell technology. Embryonic stem cell technology. Okay, so now it is clear to all of you about knockout mouse. What is the meaning of this term knockout mice? These are actually transgenic mice. Okay, these are actually transgenic mice which lack the function of non-specific gene. Okay, this type of transgenic mice, it generally lacks the function of non-specific gene, as it has been disrupted. Non-specific gene, right, by the targeted gene transfer technology. Okay, now what about the gene? Let's discuss what about the gene that is disrupted. What about the gene that was or that is disrupted? That gene is experimentally under control. That gene is under control. That gene is experimentally under control. Okay, that gene is totally under control. Experimentally, we can say experimentally it is under control. It is experimentally under control. Because it is the same gene that is being introduced into the embryonic stem cell. Okay, because why this gene is experimentally under control? Because this is that gene, or this is the same gene. This is the same gene. Are you getting my point? See, because this gene is introduced into the embryonic cell during the process of transfection. So this is under experimental, this is experimentally under control. This is under control. Okay, this is under control. Now these knockout mice are very important in research applications or in research field, both type of research, basic as well as applied. These are very important in various kinds of researches, basic researches as well as in applied researches. Okay, for example, these mice permit the study study of the role of specific individual genes, because these permit the study of the role of specific individual genes in the development of immune response, in the development of immune response, right? Development of immune response. Okay, they also provide animal models for the evaluation of various types of therapeutical purposes. They provide animal models for the evaluation of therapeutic target or regimens. Okay, or regimens. For example, there are lots of examples of these knockout mice which are being used in immunological research also. In immunological research also. For example, those knockout mice which generally lack the gene of MHC or cytokine or basically onco mice, basically special type of knockout mice, that is onco mouse. Onco mouse is a special type of knockout mice, that is predisposed to develop the cancer, that are predisposed to develop the disease cancer, and are very helpful in various types of studies which are going on cancer. These are very helpful. Okay, these onco mouse are very helpful in various studies on cancer. Now, what is targeted gene transfer? I am telling again and again that gene has been disrupted by the help of targeted gene transfer. So, what is targeted gene transfer? So, let us have a review. What is targeted gene transfer? It is used to replace the normal endogenous gene is being replaced, or this targeted gene transfer technology is being used to replace the normal counterpart of gene, or normal endogenous gene with a specific mutant form, of the same gene, with a specific mutant form of the same gene, or whole gene may be replaced, by a DNA sequence of choice, and this technology is described as knock-in technology. Okay, knock-in technology. So, what is knock-in technology? Whenever a normal endogenous gene is replaced by the mutant form of that gene, or sometimes whole gene may be replaced with the DNA sequence of choice, this is known as knock-in technology. So, this is all about the knockout mice, or how knockout mice are being produced and what are its applications, what are their applications. So, with this, thank you all, and I hope you like this video. So, just if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.